Looking for a smoke alarm is the correct answer. SmokeSOS is the perfect smoke alarm your house needs. Because your family deserves to sleep at night without any tensions. One will know that if something is happening when they are asleep, the smoke alarm can alert them. In this video I will discuss everything about this product so that you can make your buying decision wisely. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is SmokeSOS? The amazing SmokeSOS smoke and carbon monoxide alert system is the best smart smoke detector for everyone because it reliably and calmly alerts you to potential danger whether you're home or away using a combination of voice, siren, and smartphone alerts. If you have more than one smoke detector, you can interconnect them all wirelessly, and it also self-tests and informs you of device malfunctions or low batteries via smartphone alerts without those annoying chirps. You can silence nuisance alarms through the mobile app, so you'll be less likely to disable it in a fit of annoyance. The SmokeSOS is also the simplest smart alarm to install and control. Specifications: state-of-the-art photoelectric sensor. 10 years of 24/7 protection battery life. Suitable for the home, office, warehouse, etc. Reliable protection, certified by VDS, LPCB, and EN 14604. High-quality material, eco-friendly and flame retardant. Detailed features of SmokeSOS are: environmentally safe. It is also an environment-friendly device. Because it comes with an inbuilt lithium battery, so one does not have to waste electricity. It is also economical. The majority of smoke alarms are connected to wires, which works with electricity. So if there is an electricity cut, you won't get the alert automatically. Small size. It is also very compact. The majority of the smoke detectors are quite big. Sometimes the size of smoke alarms also bothers you and acts as a distraction. But SmokeSOS is so compact that one will forget they have put it on their home. Easy installation. It is also quite simple and easy to install. The only thing one has to do is to take SmokeSOS out of the box and place it wherever they want it to be. The screws and anchor plugs make it easy to install within minutes. One need not call his electrician for this work, as one can do this by himself or herself. Test button. It also comes with a test button, so one can easily test it before relying on it. Most of the smoke detectors don't come with this feature, but with SmokeSOS you get this option. It also checks the smoke, fire and co.2 as well. Universal use. Yes, it can indeed be used anywhere. The compact size of SmokeSOS makes it easy to install anywhere without any issues. As experts say, precaution is better than cure. So we should follow the precautions beforehand to avoid any sort of problem. Red LED light. It also has a red LED flashlight, which indicates that it is working. The flashlight flashes after every 56 seconds. So one will get the idea that SmokeSOS is working perfectly. Quick alerts. There are smoke detectors that work a little slow. But SmokeSOS alerts you within seconds. It is less with photoelectric sensors which quickly inform you when there is any sort of fire smoke. It informs every person present inside your home. Will the fire department check smoke detectors? Some fire departments will install battery-operated smoke alarms in your home at no cost. A smoke alarm only works when it is properly installed and regularly tested. Take care of your smoke alarms according to the manufacturer's instructions. What is the best location for a smoke detector? According to the NFPA, smoke alarms should be placed in every bedroom, outside each sleeping area and on every level of your home. In addition, industry experts recommend having both photoelectric and ionization alarms for optimal protection against flaming and smoldering fires. Do fire department people check smoke alarms? Some fire department people install fire detectors at zero cost. A smoke detector works properly when it is installed rightly and checked regularly. According to the experts, one should keep a check on their smoke detector every week. Conclusion. SmokeSOS gives you the sense of safety that no other smoke detector does. Install your SmokeSOS in your home now and relax because it will do its work. Its various features make it different from other smoke alarms. It can work for more than 10 years without any extra electricity consumption, so it also saves your pocket as well. Also compact, so one can install it anywhere in the house. So buy it now as there are only limited stocks available. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to this SmokeSOS, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.